Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna go do some hot mom stuff, okay? The boys have picture day for PA Cyber, so we're gonna go head down to the south side, take their school photos, and then hopefully we get to go to the Science Center. We're gonna try to go to the Pittsburgh Science Center, and then maybe go out to eat at McDonald's or Wendy's or whatever the boys choose. So yeah, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so we just got done with PA Cyber, which was, fast, easy, like, get in, take y'all pictures, and go ahead and go. But we did do the health screening, so they got, they had their weights taken, their height taken, and then they did a vision test, which they passed. So now we are out, and we are going to go to Science Center. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the Science Center. It is no longer the Carnegie Science Center, and I did not know that. It is called the Kamin Science Center now, so FYI. But we had a great time at the Science Center, y'all. It was only $20 for a whole year membership because we are an Access family. The boys had an amazing time, and I really enjoyed myself as well. They had all kind of different like animal species and fish and turtles and all of that kind of stuff for the kids to see. My youngest, he loves animals, so that was, very tea for him. But yes, y'all, just if y'all have like a lazy Sunday or y'all looking for something to do with the family or something, Science Center is a great outing for kids of all ages, and it won't break your pockets, so I highly recommend it. But yes, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I did not get us going out to eat. My kids said, Mom, we tired. We ready to go to the house, put on our shows, and just get something to eat and call it a day. I end up getting the boys Wendy's. So we got some Wendy's. We went to the house. Them boys took off their clothes, got in the tub, and my oldest was out before 6 o'clock. Like, he was so tired. But yes, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning into another video. I'm so glad y'all here. Make sure y'all like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. It is free, no shade. We almost at 100 subscribers, y'all. Let's get there. Let's get it going. And I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah. No bars.